Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video, my friends, I'm gonna talk about how to break out of the matrix, how to break out of the societal standards and the societal pressure that is put on you so you can create exactly the kind of life that you want. My name is Phil Heitlinger, professional flirt trainer and dating coach, and I'm going to teach you how to become a confident, charismatic and naturally attractive alpha male that gets a lot of hot girls. Yeah guys, thank you very much for tuning into the channel again, that you're watching my videos. What I want you to do right now, if you're new to this channel or if you haven't done it yet, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about your dating life, and then let's get into the content. A lot of guys come to me and ask me for dating advice. They ask me how to get girls, how to talk to girls, how to approach girls and all of that stuff, right? But their finances suck, their health sucks, and pretty much their life sucks, and like how they view life and their attitude to life sucks as well. So what I want you to do before you even thinking about talking to girls is that you work on your health. You go to the gym, you go for a run, you do martial arts, you do something with your life. You do hobbies, you want to be in shape, you want to be trained, you want to be a strong man, and you don't want to be weak. So please make sure that you focus on your health and make it a priority for yourself. The second thing that I want you to take care on is that you take care on your finances. That you make a plan. How much money do you need? How much money do you spend? How much money do you have available in a month, that you don't overspend, that you don't waste money on dumb shit, and just so you can create and plan the life that you want with the money, so you also have the finances and resources to invest in books, in mentors, and generally in knowledge, so you can build the skills that you need in the modern day marketplace. Because you don't want to be dependent on an employer, you don't want to be dependent on anyone. Yes, gentlemen, this also brings me to point number 3, which is make it a habit that you approach strangers. Look, if you are going out of your house and you're just a social person that makes people stay, that is smiling, that is happy, that is spreading great vibes everywhere, and if you just go up to girls and you talk to them, you strike up a conversation, you get phone numbers, you get Instagrams, you make business contacts, just be the guy that is very charismatic, very confident, and make it a habit that you approach girls anytime, anywhere, and trust me, your life will change. Because you have to think about it, if you're approaching, let's say 20 to 30 girls a week, then you already have a few girls that you can date each week, and then your life is a lot more fun if you're having girls, if you're going on dates, and if you are having a great social life. Yes, and this is one that I always say, and I always say to my clients and to everyone I'm talking to, is that you have to break out of the societal thinking, of the social conditioning, because trust me, it sucks. It's made for mediocrity. You will never be able to thrive really, because you should stop watching the fake news, right? Don't watch the news, don't be influenced by all the negative stuff that they're putting out there every day in the TV, in the newspapers, and just make your day great. Be positive in your head. Don't be the guy that is always negative and running around and is like reactive to all the news. So gentlemen, this is point number 5, and this is really important, and I want you to set big goals for yourself. I want you to create your dream lifestyle. I want you to set big goals, big financial goals, big lifestyle goals, big goals for your dating life, big goals for your social life, and I want you to never ever settle for mediocrity. I want you to become a great man that is strong, that is having his own vision, his purpose, and that is just on a mission to get stuff done. Because look, I'm right now here somewhere in Mexico, and I can work online. I'm totally independent from the system, if you want so, and I don't have to care what other people think of me, because I'm just like totally out of the matrix. And I could have never done that if I wouldn't have written down my goals. And it started in like 2015, 2016, when I was still like a little bit insecure and I didn't know super good how to talk to girls. And I was still at university and not having a vision in life and no clear goals. But what I did is I had this little book and I was always writing down what I want in my life. How many girls I want, how much money I want, what kind of business I want, what kind of things I want to do in my life. And now I'm doing exactly what I want. And I want you to work on your goals every day and you make little steps. Every day 1% is still 365% each year that you improve. And I want you to become a great guy that is having great goals and of course a great lifestyle. Yes, I've been talking quickly about it, about creating your dream lifestyle, because let's face reality, right? Most men, most women even, they wake up in the morning at 6, 7 because their alarm goes on and they can't decide if they want to keep sleeping or if they have to go to work, because they have to go to a job. Most of the time it's a job that they don't even like. Then they have to drive there with their car for 30 to 60 minutes or sometimes even for 2 hours on a train just to get to work, where they like waste their time. They're not even using that time when they're like in the train or in the car, whatever, for example listening to audiobooks. But what I want to tell you with this is that you create your dream lifestyle. That means you have to decide, where do you want to live, how do you want to spend your time, what kind of people do you want to be around with, what is your social circle like? How do you spend your time? What kind of hobbies do you have? And you just want to be in control of your life and you want to live your life. You only live once, you know? Like, there's only one life that you can live and you have to make the best out of it. Otherwise, you will be very, very unhappy and you won't be in a good mood. And I want you to be in a great mood all the time. So guys, create your dream lifestyle and you, deep inside, you know what it is. So write down what is your dream lifestyle and then work hard at it every single day. Yeah, you know, every day I hear someone talking about a business idea or about something that they want to do or something that they like or something that they could never achieve because they never tried, right? And number 7 is that you live your purpose, that you find your mission and that you do what you want in life. Because like I already said, you only live once and you want to have a job and an occupation that brings you joy, that makes you proud, that maybe you can show all the creativity that you're having and you just want to be on your purpose and you want to be driven by things that you like. For example, if you like video editing or video filming, like my cameraman for example, then you can make it a business, you can make it a hobby, you can make it a job, you can be employed by someone that is helping you. And if you haven't found out what you want to do yet in life, then it's not a problem, right? Because you just need to try. And even if you're 30, even if you're 25 and you think, oh my God, my life is over, I have to be married already, I have to find a girlfriend already, and I totally have to have my life together, then you're going to fail. Because don't be so serious with yourself, don't be so serious how you look at life. Just have a great day, follow your passion, follow your purpose, and then you will have a lot more fun in your life, you will have a better life attitude, and you'll become a lot more attractive to everyone around you. Here's another thing that I want to talk about is that a lot of guys, they are just dressing like their mom or grandma is picking their clothes for them, right? And you don't want to be the kind of guy, you always want to dress to impress. Even if you don't have much money, if that's an excuse of you, you don't need much money to dress well. Because it's very easy, especially in times like this, where you can just go to H&M or Zara or all the other clothing chains where you can get good looking clothes, right? And always just make it a rule that you're always dressed a little bit better than all the rest. For example, if you're going to a party, you think, how are people dressed there? I'm just gonna dress a little bit better. Because it makes you stand out and then people see, okay, he's taking care of himself, and then they think you are more interesting. And then if you have also great social skills on top, that you're dressed well, then you make a lot better impression. So don't wear like shiny colors all the time or flashy colors or clothes that don't fit, that are too big generally. Just make sure that you are dressing well, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm also talking about this in my mentoring program, how to dress well, how to dress masculine, that girls think, okay, this guy knows how to dress, he knows what he's doing in life, and that you can make a great first impression, my friends. So always make sure you dress well. Yeah guys, this also comes to my almost last point, which is travel the world. Look at this beautiful beach right now. I'm here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. I've been to almost 50 countries and I started traveling with 19. And every time when I was like depressed or when I didn't know what to do in life, I always traveled the world. I traveled to another country, I moved somewhere, I lived in different places, I got to know cultures, I got to know girls from all over the world. I had girls from countries that you don't even know they exist. Okay guys, so always make sure that you're traveling the world, that you're having a lot of fun, that you're getting to know new cultures, new areas, new parts of the world, new beaches, new parties, new everything. Gather life experiences, meet people from all over the world, get to know them, what are the cultural differences, what are the stereotypes, and what is happening in the world. And then, my friend, you get a lot better understanding on how the world works, and this will make you more attractive, and it will also help you to become a lot better of a storyteller, my friend. Yeah guys, just before I was filming this video, I was talking to this guy, and he is like a doctor, right, in a hospital. He's a doctor in a big hospital and he has to work a lot of working hours. But he's been thinking all the time, what kind of thing could I do, right? He said like, yeah, I've been studying for 5-6 years and it was hard to get like my diploma or my degree for my doctorate certificate. But he was telling me, man, Phil, I want to do your coaching and I also want to invest in a business mentor that can help me to maybe get more clear on what I want in life and what I want to do long term, because he likes to be a doctor but he doesn't like the working hours and he has a lot of things that he wants to do in life, right? So what I want you to do is, if you want to do something but you don't know how, if it means how to build a business, how to approach girls, how to meet girls, how to learn how to flirt, how to get your back pain solved, or how to get your health in order, right? That's all things that mentors can help you. So what I want you to do is that you invest in mentors. You invest in people that have the knowledge, that can pass it on to you very quickly, very easily. And if that means that you need to buy something, then do it. If you think it's the right person, if you think it's the right coach and the right mentor, then you should definitely get help to achieve your goals, because it's going to save you a lot of time. And especially when we're talking about dating, I know guys that are walking around shopping streets for 5 to 10 years and approach thousands of girls and don't get any results. They get phone numbers sometimes, they get dates sometimes, but they don't have any control over their dating life. And that's why I'm here for, guys. I don't only want you to help you break out of the matrix, I want you to become free, and I'm going to help you that you can achieve the dating life that you want, become confident, charismatic, and generally a great guy that is getting a lot of girls. So if you're having problems getting girls in your life, dating girls, girls don't text back, they don't reply to you, they don't want to see you, or they don't think you're attractive and the conversation is boring, then what I want you to do right now is that you hit like and subscribe to my channel, and that you apply for a free consultation call with me and my team, and we're going to find out if and how I can help you, how we can help you in your situation, in your dating life, and maybe work out a strategy how you can get dates, get girls, and maybe even find your dream girl. So apply now for a free consultation call. It's a quick form, takes 2 minutes to fill out, and then I see you on the other side. Maybe we talk soon, and I wish you a great day. Hit like and subscribe to my channel, my friends, and thank you very much for watching.
She just wants to flirt, so I flirt right back. I just put in work, yeah, I work like that. Got me falling and it hurts, yeah, it hurts so bad. All in and it's worth everything I have. I could feel the butterflies multiply every time I meet your eyes. Amplify deep inside.